Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, the Zoom was in by the Fiverr due to it was more than 1 hour.
Yeah, I'm familiar.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. Okay, so I think we were for the last stress for the campaign setup. So could you please share your screen so I can do the last stress for you and we can close call?
Which one is it? This one?
One sec, I'm sending the request to you. That means you are doing almost all work by the Fiverr Zoom. This is mine, okay?
Okay.
Mm-mm. So we are here. Okay, so what
Okay,
is
so you was asking me what's my budget, and I was asking how long does it go for?
actually it's different up to you. Like they're just suggesting this daily budget like 44 and here is like estimate result you would get like this, okay? Weekly cost, like weekly conversion value as a first time. So this is just they are forecasting, but this is not the actual result you will get. Okay. So it's up to you how much you would like to spend every day for the Google ad. But the first time, you might not getting the expected result at least the first 1 month, 2 month because
Mm-hmm.
of the new business. Okay.
Mm-hmm. I don't want to do that much. Um,
Yep, you can do as you want. That's not a problem.
I'll start off at $10.
But $10, okay, you can see the estimate like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there you go. You have to verify that you're the admin for the security reason. Okay, one sec.
Bless you.
Maybe the image issue we are having. Let's see. There is this error. Remove the, oh, okay, file is too high. I think this one is not subtracted. This one is too. And is there any other? Yeah, there is another. Sizes don't match. Okay, now it should be good. Oh, mm, logo issue at least. Oh, okay, we don't upload the logo though. So that
I
means,
thought we did.
higher. Let's see. My mouse is not working. Somehow the name, logo, listing. Yeah, I don't think we add the logo. Yes,
Well,
this is
that's
the
fine right
logo.
there. Mm-hmm.
Okay, DK. Now it should be good.
They don't like my amount.
Mhm. Just we have to do one rest setting that is location. I'm doing that for you. So,
Bless you.
mhm. So do you do for this business or do you have the other business as well?
Just for this.
Okay, you start this one. That's cool. Mm, mm.
It's two locations on there.
Is your campaign location also should be there, I'm checking. Yeah, there you go. So is here, as you can see, this means like everyone who is interested for the new, like the United States, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So do you understand what is telling on here if you read that? But
Um,
we have
yeah.
to select this one, okay? So people in or regularly in your included location, okay? This one
Okay.
is the perfect one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, and the parcel is the conversion goal. It will track the data. Can you see? It's the green signal. No recent conversion. Once it's converted, then it will report the data. So save that. And now, as you know, the campaign is published with $10 budget, and we did whatever needed. So one thing I can do for you, let's do that. Mm, 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 mm. Not here, sorry.
So it will create this list.
Like the audience?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Or the search information.
Hmm. Just one thing I have to check. Okay, it will dynamic. Let's go. Okay, so now you can monitor your campaign and you can, not only the setup, you have to do the optimization as well in 1 week, 2 week, because right now it's the learning phase. It's take like 5 days for the learning, like the campaign. Google algorithm will learn your business, your audience, your customer, then it will go through for the good conversion, okay?
Okay. And how do I optimize it? Does that mean just resetting? What does that mean?
So actually it's including a lot of things. So after under the optimization, you have to see where you're getting the traffic, what timing, which device is it. You have to increase the bidding. You need to sense like bidding strategy. So that's including like, you know, several things. It's depend on the campaign performance. I'm not able to tell you exactly what need to be do for the optimization. The situation based, we have to do the optimization, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So whatever need for the first campaign we did. So now if you have any other question, you can ask me. I will be happy to help.
I want to do a campaign that I'm calling the 12 Days of Christmas. And
Mm-hmm.
it's to start the actual um thing starts on the 5th of December. I wanted to have been able to start marketing it tomorrow, but I'm not able to do that. But I do want to do that soon. So I'm just trying to, I needed everything set up so that when I did it, that it would make sense. But now I also need to figure out how to do it.
Yeah, so you can do that, whatever needed for the tracking or configuration for the campaign. We did everything, so you can do the other stuff if you want. You are in, that's not a problem. No.
Say that one more time.
Yeah, so you can do your research, whatever you are telling, but for the campaign, for the Google ads, for the remarketing.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever configuration or setting need to be done, we already did that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so do you have any other question? Do you need anything else from me?
So if I did a campaign like what I was talking about, it would be different images that would pop up for people, right?
Yep, you can upload your different images as per your campaign need, as per your
Mhm.
structure. You can do that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I can reach out to you for that.
Yeah, no problem. Once you need that, you just reach back to me. We will join another call if needed. That's not a
Okay.
problem. That would be another call and bill.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Sounds good. And you will send me the
Yeah,
what is the offer?
yeah, I do. So just I'm showing you. Just a second. Just a second. One sec.
Mm-hmm.
So if you see my profile, we did everything today and in the skin sharing, just for the transparency, if you go my profile, so there have the offer for the several gig, we did everything for the Google today. So this is the packages or offer. So as you can see, this is the basic one that include only the page view tracking, okay? But we
Mm-hmm.
set up like the e-commerce, we set up like purchase tracking, the tracking goal that is not included under this. Also, the standard, there is the site search, video engagement, file download, conversion setup. This is related to the like the service-based website, okay? If you see here, there is like the view item, add to cart purchase, like cross-domain e-commerce reporting. So whatever we set up, like also it's like 3-day delivery, but we did everything one day. Also, we set up a campaign together. So for the showing purpose, I'm just showing, not purchasing. So if you click on here, there is like additional add-on. So that is extra fast delivery. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
you can just continue with this one. I think also we set up the campaign, but it's not a problem. So you can just do like this package. I think it would be affordable for both of us. Okay.
Okay. Can you go to the second one so I can see the line items?
Yeah, 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 sure.
The standard one.
Yeah.
Now, what is the file download?
Oh, okay. So file download. If it's like the service-based website, if you have like the PDF on the website, suppose it's the education type of website and there have the PDF related to the courses, right? So that time the file download conversion or file download event need to set up for the that kind of website tracking. So I don't think you have the file or PDF or something like that on your website. So you don't need to do that for your website, okay?
Okay, say it one more time. It's a PDF of what? Is it the products?
No, is it the course related course details, Suppose this is an university website. So they have like the multiple course, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and they need to show their audience under a PDF. So that time the PDF download event is need to set up for that kind of website, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm. No
Okay.
problem. Okay, so I think you can continue with that one. So that would be perfect for both of us, okay?
Okay.
Also, we did everything within the call, so that helped for us. And I'm trying to explain everything to you. Yeah, you can type something as a requirement so I am able to deliver it.
Say it again.
You can just continue and type something on this requirement box. Yeah, just you can type like all work done through Fiverr Zoom. Yep, yep. Okay, now give me 1 sec. I'm going to delivery. There you are. I have to go to deliver. There you are. The Fiverr. This is here. This is here. Now I need to type something as a delivery. Here is the delivery. Fiverr Zoom screen sharing. Schedule please search. Oh, it was absurd and share your opinion or with me. Thank you. Feedback. There you go. So, yeah, I just delivered. You can check. Yeah, you can select those. That's helpful. Select few of the option.
What did you say?
Yeah, just I'm telling if you select few of the option that help to rank my profile. Mhm.
If I do what?
Those option, if you selected, then it's help to rank my profile. Just I'm telling, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, you can type something about our work that we did together.
Okay. Whew.
Okay, I get it. So thank you so much for your valuable feedback as well as tip. So from today, if you need anything else, if you have any question for the tracking, for the ad, you may ask me. I will be happy to help you. Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, no problem at all. So I think that's it for now. So have a good one then.
Okay, you too.
Okay, bye today.
All right, good night.